Welcome to the 2025 Brick Convention, Fort Worth style. To one of the bigger areas. This is where some of the big builds are. Wow. So this is a entire battle scene.
Quarter hat.
The aliens, we got people with lightsabers and
you got all your Jedi, you got clones, you got your droids.
Clones, droids.
And then you got
the
British Army.
The British Army, that's fantastic.
That's cool.
That's very cool. Great job. Are you Blake?
Yeah.
Tell me about your build.
Well, it's a bat cave. It took me like a couple months to put it together.
Yeah?
I had about like 10,000 pieces in it.
So what's your favorite part of this build?
Probably I like the trophy area, but unfortunately this door's supposed to open, you can kind of see.
Sure.
The table isn't even, so I wasn't able to.
I gotcha, yeah.
But if you look here, you can see all the trophies, like the pennies. It has a bunch of these little.
Yeah, I see that.
Completely throughout the whole thing.
Oh, wow.
That was tedious.
That is tedious. Yeah, great job creating a cave. One big build. 4,584 pieces. Cost around $1,800 to build it. And then the Star Killer base. That's awesome. Look at her. So who did this? You did. You're the Brick Fairy, huh? Hey, congratulations, this looks great. I think that flowers are underused here, so I'm glad to see them. That's great. You gotta represent the girls, you have to. I love your... Not seeing green eggs and ham. Best replica award, that's fantastic, that's beautiful. That's so different. So this is Matt Henry. And this is his creation.
Yeah. I like just throwing random stuff in here, like there's Daredevil on the roof, like there's a little bird over there, like Ultron's cut up, like Thanos, like just stuff like that is just really fun to do.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Buc-ee's. It's fantastic.
Right, there's no new cars in the parking lot.
The Batmobile has to get gassed up. Ghostbusters. This is great. The Boy Scouts are in the lockers over here. So are these yours?
This one's mine. It's my first time attempting a mine.
Oh, nice. Okay, good for you.
First of all, go from there.
No, absolutely. Absolutely. Wow. Aw, Clue. Look at you. It's such a great movie.
Yeah. Chandelier fell, singing telegrams too.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and you can actually play it like each square.
Yeah, I see that. You could actually play. All of the light pieces.
How hard is that to transport?
Not as bad as you think.
having a good time?
We are. How are y'all doing?
Doing great.
Good.
But I based all these off of the video game, and I made it my goal to make every one of them from the game.
Frog, teddy bear.
Yeah. There's the I don't actually know the mini kit. So yeah, I got Build-A-Bear Workshop, a record store, which is hilarious. I think that's supposed to be Taylor Swift in front. There's Pizza Hut. Got the train docking. There's Brahms, because you know, if you know, you know. Goes the train. 2 trains. Train Depot, Taco Bell. 7-Eleven. Yeah, so we got Taco Bell right there, 7-Eleven on the corner, and a McDonald's. Toys R Us. GameStop. The Halloween store, Blockbuster, Subway, Lowe's. So, Lumberyard, Lowe's. Wow, great job with these. As we make our way out into the sunshine, that is a wrap for the Brick Convention here in Fort Worth. They did a great job. We are headed out now. Thanks for coming along, and we will see y'all next time.